You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation from Latin. Let's break it down. Harpactira, Harpactira. Pulchripes or pulchripes. There are two different pronunciations. It's a Latin word. Latin would be said pulchripes. Pulchripes or pulchripes. Harpactira pulchripes or pulchripes. It's essentially a spider. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.